turn on our kidneys like faucets. Drink this tea for 4 weeks to lower your creatinine levels. Gathering here, there are 5 natural ways to turn on your kidneys like a faucet. These natural yet powerful diuretics will really help because they fight sodium retention, hypertension, and swelling. They directly improve the ability of the kidneys to excrete excess fluids. And these are the same reasons why your doctor will prescribe you a diuretic water pill. But the big difference here is that the natural remedies and superfoods I'll show you today don't come with leaflet of nasty side effects. Our number one in particular is a tea so powerful you may see results in terms of improved renal function and lowered creatinine in just 4 weeks. This is almost a miracle as it works even in people in stage 4 of CKD, so don't miss our number one. And this is a top 5, so we will start with something that may not have all the benefits of our number one, but it's a lot tastier. These are actually some of the most powerful kidney cleansing superfoods in existence. All these foods are proven to help your kidneys do their job, and they're all low in potassium and sodium. Let's see them. Number 5. Superfoods with diuretic properties. Always include in your diet lemon. Adding lemon or even lemon juice to your diet is proven to help the body get rid of excess fluids. Lemon is a diuretic, meaning it encourages the healthy elimination of water via your urine. And lemon also has an alkalizing effect that protects the kidneys. And also consider onions. Onions are not just tasty, they're one of the best sources of sulfur, a powerful kidney detoxifier and natural diuretic. Yes, turns out that onions are nothing to cry over. This food is amazing when it comes to fighting inflammation. Onions can also reduce LDL bad cholesterol levels and protect the kidneys by lowering blood pressure. Another food with incredible properties, asparagus. This succulent, savory vegetable contains a stimulating blend of nutrients that help boost energy, cleanse the urinary tract, and neutralize excess ammonia, which can cause fatigue. Asparagus also contains some asparagine, an amino acid that acts as a diuretic. And just like onions, asparagus is fairly low in potassium, so you can add it to your diet without problems. And also, consider celery. Celery is a favorite of many health-conscious people for a lot of reasons. First of all, it's a great source of powerful antioxidants, and it's also able to reduce inflammation in the body when consumed regularly. Even better, celery also contains a compound known as 3-B that has diuretic properties to help the kidneys. Time for one of the healthiest teas you can find on the shelves of the supermarket. This one requires no other preparation than soaking a bag of tea. And yet, it contains natural compounds that can help increasing kidney filtration and lowering your blood pressure. Number 4. Hibiscus tea. This is an herbal tea made by steeping parts of the hibiscus plant in boiling water. Some kidney disease patients are already drinking it during the day to keep their blood pressure under control. And it works! Research has uncovered a range of health benefits linked to drinking hibiscus tea. A 2015 review of 5 studies found that hibiscus tea decreased both systolic and diastolic blood pressure of participants significantly. This tea may also help your kidneys remove excess fluid from the body, which is crucial if you want to lower your creatinine levels. Hibiscus tea also contains powerful antioxidants to protect the kidneys and has anti-cancer and immune-boosting properties. Yes, this is just a tea saint made from dried flowers, not a pill. Researchers actually believe that hibiscus has all these benefits because it can help with increasing kidney filtration. You may find hibiscus tea under different names depending on where you live. For example, here in Italy it's called carcadè, but it is also known as sour tea and Jamaica tea. And although commonly called tea, it's actually a tisane, a beverage made from steeping dried or fresh hibiscus flowers in boiling water. This is important because teas and tisanes are prepared in different ways. You need the water to boil and several minutes of infusion to make a tisane, especially if you want to get the powerful health benefits this infusion can provide. And while we make our tea, time to see some tips to get rid of extra fluids naturally. In particular, there is a beverage you may be already drinking that has more benefits than people suspect. It is number 3 tips. Coffee. While caffeine in tea and coffee is often touted for its health benefits as it can help with memory, brain function, alertness, and metabolism, not many people know this, but caffeine is also a natural diuretic, which is lucky for people who enjoy coffee and tea because now they can do it without worries. But is coffee really healthy for your kidneys? Only one way to find out. Watch my video hub here. Another tip to remove excess water and protect your kidneys: drink more water. Drinking enough fluid can help to debloat by supporting healthy kidney function and releasing fluid and salt out of the body. Yes, water is a powerful way to remove excess water. Who could have thought? Another not so surprising way to help the kidneys do their job of removing extra water: maintain a healthy weight. Weight loss is a powerful natural diuretic. After all, about 60% of the human body is water, so losing weight is one way to reduce fluid retention. And weight loss may help the health of your kidneys in an incredible number of ways. It can fight diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol levels, heart disease. Yes, the list of proven benefits of unhealthy weight is too long to mention it here. And you know what's the easiest way to achieve this? Exercise. While exercise shares many of the benefits of weight loss for kidney health, and it also has many benefits of its own, exercise is also one of the best natural diuretics. Getting your heart rate up will help circulate whatever fluid you have built up, and it's tremendously helpful to move that fluid around in your body, especially for people who suffer from swelling. What if you don't know where to start when it comes to exercising? Try my easy workout program. It's up here. One last tip: reduce sodium intake. If you're trying to get healthy enough so you don't need diuretic medications but want to resolve some of your fluid retention naturally, reduce your salt intake. If you're eating a high salt diet, you're going to retain a lot more fluid. And naturally eliminating fluids with healthy foods, exercise, and reducing salt intake is very safe and healthy for the kidneys. And you know what's the best way to reduce sodium intake without giving up on taste? You guessed it! Spices! Actually, there are 4 spices that are so healthy for your kidneys, their benefits are worth their weight in gold. Do you want to see what they are? Number 2, add to your diet spices with detoxing properties. Ginger. While a lot of people consume ginger for its taste and its many health benefits, this spice also has gentle diuretic properties. Just eating it can help support the kidneys as they remove waste and excess fluid. And you can also make ginger tea by cutting a piece of ginger in small pieces and adding boiling water. And also add to your meals parsley. Parsley is a popular herb in cooking. Used either fresh or dried, it pairs well with Italian cuisine. What many people don't know about it is that it can help increase urine volume and flush out salt by helping kidneys reduce the reabsorption of sodium. Parsley has been used as a home remedy diuretic for many years for this reason. If you can find parsley raw, add it to your smoothies and salads. Time now for a favorite of mine, garlic. Yes, garlic is also a gentle diuretic. According to large review of studies, garlic has a great detoxifying effect for your kidneys. Amazing! I mean, is there anything garlic can do? Garlic can benefit the heart, brain, and other organs, kidneys included. It can lower your blood pressure significantly, and it also fights high cholesterol levels. And do you know that there's a type of garlic with even more benefits? I've talked about it in my recent video up here. Watch it now if you have missed it. Okay, time now for the most effective way of improving our kidney function and getting the kidneys to expel more fluids. This tea works simply by improving the filtrating ability of the kidneys. Yes, this one can lower your creatinine levels. Number 1 is the kidney restoring tea. Okay guys, this is a very powerful herbal tea. It's made with ingredients specifically handpicked for their benefits for the kidneys and to fight water retention and swelling. It contains some of the most powerful herbal remedies in the world, including horsetail, an herbal remedy frequently used as a diuretic, and stinging nettle, a powerful anti-inflammatory herb that protects the kidneys. While the tips and foods we have seen till now are very easy to take advantage of, they are usually consumed both for health benefits and taste. This one is a 100% genuine kidney healing tea. A true healing tea. It's made with a recipe specifically made to help the kidneys of those with CKD. Yes, this is one of the most powerful herbal teas on earth when it comes to improving kidney health. Do you want to see the full recipe? I've shared it in my video up here. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching.